Oriental honey buzzard eagle sitting just in front of my house. It's one of the most beautiful raptor in Western Ghats. You can see the face is grey color. There is a the brownish color feather. Basically looking for a prey. I'm sitting in front of my house. Yes, it's a beautiful. The bird called is Oriental honey buzzard. The reason behind why we call the Oriental honey buzzard, it hunts the honey. It go and takes the honey from the tree and the combs and it as a food it consumes. And right now it's sitting down and to the fencing side and looking for a prey, and it also takes the mice and small lizards and skinks and geckos from the ground, and the main food is honey, and occasionally it picks up the other small lizards on occasions. Sorry, lizards and etc. So beautiful, lovely. Can you see? Look at the eyes. Yeah, amazing.